Commercial solar is rapidly growing in popularity across numerous industries in California. Even so, many business owners have questions about solar and whether it's worth the investment. Let's explore the top myths about commercial solar to help you make an informed decision on making the switch. Installing a commercial solar system has gotten more affordable over the last 5 years. We can help you find the best financing solutions and will work within your budget to design a system that suits the needs of your business. At West Coast Solar, we make switching to solar simple and stress-free. We work with you throughout the entire process and strive to create as little disruption to your business operation as possible. Once installed, you can immediately start enjoying the benefits of your solar array. Our experienced and innovative engineers and installers can customize solar energy systems according to architectural features, available space, and other factors. We can get creative if you have limited roof space, an unusual roof size, or no roof space at all. While solar panels are commonly installed on rooftops, the solar arrays just need to see the sun to harvest the sun's energy. We can install solar panels either on your building or elsewhere on your property to power your business with clean energy. We design our commercial solar panels to provide the most benefit and return on investment with the least amount of maintenance. We build and install our solar panels to be durable and long-lasting to withstand the elements. And aside from a few yearly inspections, your system can perform optimally for decades. At West Coast Solar, we want to help businesses all throughout Northern California optimize their energy potential, and we're excited to help you get hooked on solar. Contact us today to get started, and until next time, thanks for watching.